Advaita Parivara is Shiva. Advaita is Mahavishnu and Shiva, Sadashiva. And he has other identities too. Vishaka Sakhi is Advaita Parivar, Advaita Ji. And also Rati Mandri, and also Purnamasi, and Yogamaya, and Madhamangal. All these forms are Advaita. And these are secrets coming in Advaita Parivara. But mainly it's understood that he's Sadashiva, this is told in Chaitanya Charitamrita, and he's Mahavishnu, this is Gaur Ganadesh Deepika. Kavi Karnapur, Gaur Ganadesh Deepika said he's Mahavishnu, and it says Sita Devi's wife is Yogamaya. Yogamaya means Purnamasi. So Shakti, Shakti, Mana, Veda. Shakti, Shakti, Mana, Veda. There's no difference between Shakti and Shaktiman. Krishna is Radha, Radha is Krishna. Shiva is Parvati, Parvati is Shiva. Even there's one form, Harihara. Arda Shiva, Arda Parvati. And then one earrings here and some bone or conch shell earring here, like a tyagi, like a and some golden earring here. All half. You see posters. It's reality.